If your Joy-Cons SL or SR shoulder buttons aren't working, don't worry. This usually happens due to bad configuration, poor contact with the Joy-Con grip, or internal button failure. Let's fix it step by step. Solution 1. Reconfigure your Joy-Cons. So the SL and SR buttons are basically used when in Bluetooth mode and you play two-player games. Your Switch may have already configured two of your Joy-Cons as one, so it is not letting you use the SL and SR button, which doesn't work when both Joy-Cons become a single controller. So, if you want to fix this, go to your Switch home screen, find the Joy-Con icon, open it up to Open Controllers panel. Tap on Change Grip Order. Now, while you're in this page, get your Joy-Cons at hand, left or right, whichever works, and consecutively press the SL and SR button 2 or 3 times until the Joy-Con show on the screen. Repeat this for the other Joy-Con too. Both of these Joy-Cons would now show as different controllers. For most people, the problem will be fixed by this, but if your issue is still persisting, then try the second solution. Solution 2. Unpair and pair your Joy-Cons. A quick pair and unpair can do miracles. Just keep the Joy-Cons in Bluetooth mode. Then from your Nintendo home screen, go to System Settings, scroll down to Controllers and Sensors. On the right, scroll down to the bottom, and tap on Disconnect Controllers. Now you need to press and hold the X button of your Joy-Cons to disconnect them. After that, simply slide the Joy-Cons back into your Nintendo Switch and try to detach it again and repeat my solution 1. This time, your problem should be fixed. So guys, if this helps you out, then drop a like, but if you're still stuck, then drop your Joy-Con version and issue in the comments. I'll try to help you out as much as I can. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Nintendo Switch fixes.